Which one of the following is the correct pairing of the site of action and the substrate of renin? Option A, stomach casein. Option B, stomach fat. Option C, small intestine protein. And option D, mouth starch. Casein is a phosphoprotein found in milk, and renin is the enzyme which is known to digest milk. Therefore, the correct answer to this question is option A, which is stomach and casein. The next question is, which cells secrete gastric enzymes in stomach? Option A, chief cells. Option B, alpha cells. Option C, islets of Langerhans. And option D, beta cells. The stomach, namely the fundus or the fundus of the stomach, is known to secrete two types of cells: chief cells or the oxyntic and the parietal cells. Chief cells are known to secrete pepsin, while these cells are known to secrete HCl. So the correct answer to this question is option A, which is chief cells. The next question is, gastric juice contains option A, pepsin, renin and lipase. Option B, pepsin, amylase and renin. Option C, pepsin, amylase and trypsin. And option D, lipase, renin and trypsin. It is known that trypsin and amylase are not present in the gastric juice. Thus the correct answer is option A, which shows pepsin, renin and lipase as the components of gastric juice. Our next question is, enzyme arginase is found in option A, mouth cavity. Option B, stomach. Option C, intestine. And option D, liver. Arginase is generally found in liver. It is very important enzyme for the ornithine cycle. So the answer to this question is option D, which is liver being the site of the enzyme arginase. The next question is, which one of the following pairs of the kind of cells and their secretion are correctly matched? Option A, oxyntic cells, which are also known as parietal cells, a secretion with a pH between 2 and 3. Option B, alpha cells of islets of Langerhans, which is a secretion that decreases blood sugar level. Option C, Kupffer cells, a digestive enzyme that hydrolyzes nucleic acid. And option D, sebaceous glands, a secretion that evaporates for cooling. Your oxyntic cells or parietal cells are correctly matched with their secretion, which has a pH of between 2 to 3. So the correct answer is option A. The next question is, Kupffer cells are found in option A, mouth. Option B, liver. Option C, kidney. And option D, stomach. The correct answer to this question is quite straightforward, which is the liver. Next question is, the first phase in the breakdown of glucose in animal cell is option A, glycolysis. Option B, electron system. Option C, fermentation. And option D, Krebs cycle. As the name is suggesting, glycolysis is the process of breakdown of glycogen and glucose. So this is the first phase in the breakdown of glucose, change in pyruvic acid occurring in animal cell. The next question is, trypsin is related with digestion of option A, carbohydrates. Option B, proteins. Option C, fat. And option D, none of these. The correct answer to this question is option B, which is proteins. The next question is, digestion of starch takes place in option A, stomach and duodenum. Option B, the buccal cavity and duodenum. Option C, the buccal cavity and esophagus. And option D, duodenum only. Starch is known to be digested in the oral or the buccal cavity initially, and later in the duodenum part of the small intestine. So the correct option, including the buccal cavity and duodenum, is option B. The next question is, duodenum has characteristic Brunner's gland which secrete two hormones called option A, prolactin and proanthramone. Option B, estradiol and progesterone. Option C, kinase and estrogen. And option D, secretin and cholecytokinin. The correct answer is option D, just to be remembered, a straightforward answer. Next question is, the enzyme added to the starch solution may have been option A maltase, option B invertase, option C lipase, and option D amylase. The correct answer to this question is option D, which is amylase. Next question is, enzyme renin is secreted by option A cells of stomach, option B cells of intestine, option C the cortical cells of kidney, and option D the cells of juxtaglomerular apparatus of the kidney. Renin is secreted by the cells of stomach in inactive form as prorenin and then activated to renin by HCl, which is secreted by the oxyntic and the parietal cells. So the correct answer to this question is option A, stomach. To get sufficient carbohydrates, one should take option A meat, option B rice, option C carrots, and option D groundnuts. Carbohydrates are chief source of energy in the body and are taken from the food of most of the animals. Main source of carbohydrates are cereals, fruits, milk, rice, and potato. So the correct answer here is option B, which is rice. Carrots can be a very good source of vitamin A, which is retinol, due to presence of carotene. Meat is a good source of vitamin D and E, that is tocopherol and calciferol. The next question is, thiamine or B1 deficiency results in option A Wernicke syndrome, option B Korsakoff syndrome, option C osteonecrosis, and option D tunnel vision. Vitamin B1 is also known as thiamine, the deficiency of which is common in alcoholics. It leads to decreased mental function, double vision, and reduced muscular contraction, and the resulting disorder is known as Wernicke syndrome, which is option number A. The pungent odor of feces is due to presence of option A indole, option B skatole, option C various gases, and option D all of the above. The odor of a feces or the feces is due to presence of toxic amines indole and skatole derived from the action of bacteria on amino acids. Gases are also cause odor in feces. They are produced by fermentation of carbohydrates, and thus the option B saying all of the above is the correct option. One of the following is needed for the conversion of trypsinogen into trypsin. Option A HCl or hydrochloric acid, option B enterokinase, option C lipase, and option D zymase. We know that in presence of enterokinase, inactive enzyme trypsinogen gets converted to active enzyme trypsin. So the correct option here is option B. Wound healing is enhanced by a vitamin. Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin C, option D vitamin D, and option D vitamin E. The correct answer here is option B, which is vitamin C, which is also known as ascorbic acid. Let us recall that vitamin A is known as retinol, vitamin D as calciferol, and vitamin E as tocopherol. The answer here is vitamin C. Protein deficiency in children is called option A obesity, option B marasmus, option C diabetes, and option D kwashiorkor. Obesity is formed due to excess of food and nutrition. Diabetes is due to improper secretion of insulin, while the protein deficiency in children is called option D, which is kwashiorkor syndrome. Our next question is, secretin hormone is secreted by option A liver, option B pancreas, option C intestine, and option D Brunner's gland. The correct answer to this question is option D, which is Brunner's gland, which are found. Which of the following carries glucose from digestive tract to the liver? Option A hepatic artery, option B pulmonary vein, option C hepatic portal vein, and option D the renal portal system. The blood carries digestive tract to liver through hepatic portal vein. The blood which comes from the digestive tract contains absorbed food like glucose and amino acids. So the pulmonary vein is known to carry material from the liver, while material from the digestive tract to the liver is transferred to the media of hepatic port vein. So the answer here is option C, which is the hepatic portal vein.